Subscribe to Gizmo Times and get notified about our latest videos by hitting the bell icon.
Hey guys, welcome to Gizmo Times. This is Chetan and this is the Vivo V15 that's now launched in India, and this is priced at 26,990. That's on the box package, and this comes with that 6.53-inch full HD plus display, that is the ultra wide ultra full view display actually, and this comes with the 19.5:9 aspect ratio, and this is pop-up selfie camera on the front. So there's no camera on the front, it's just something that is a motorized one that comes on the top. There's a triple camera combination on the back of the phone, and this comes with the Helio P70 interestingly, and not one of those Qualcomm Snapdragon chipsets. So these are the major specs: 32 MP pop-up selfie camera that's given here, AI triple rear camera, ultra full view display, and 6 GB of RAM, 4000 mAh battery. So this 128 GB storage as well, and this one single variant of this. So one that we are unboxing is the red color, that's called the Glamour Red, and this also this Topaz Blue. So there are two options that we're going to show you there, the color ones, and this is the box package, the standard box package from Vivo that mentions 6 GB of RAM, and along with that this 128 GB storage. So let's quickly unbox and check out the accessories and the phone itself. So first thing is similar to how the V15 Pro had, this is the hard case, actually a very good quality case if you ask me, because it has a rubberized kind of edge on the side, and this is designed by Vivo is what is mentioned here, and along with that this feels good. So it has that proper cutout for the cameras and the fingerprint sensor. Now apart from that are these things. Firstly the SIM ejector pin, then you have the warranty card and the quick start guide as well, and then you have the phone. So this is the Vivo V15, and on the front is this large display. It's 6.53-inch, and on the back is this design. This is the Glamour Red color. Then apart from that you have these three accessories. Firstly this is the micro USB cable, and Vivo still sticks to micro USB since they feel this is the regular standard charging that most people would want to use, and this is the earphones with the microphone as well. So these are the pair of earphones, and finally we have the travel adapter with the fast charging support. So this is the travel adapter that you get in the box package, and it comes with the 9V2A, so 18-watt charger, and that is why the phone also has 18-watt charging support, and a single USB out. So these are the accessories in the box package, and that is with the unboxing. Let's now quickly check out the phone, the physical aspect of it, and also what all it comes with. So this is the 6.53-inch display on the front with the 1080 to 2340 pixels of screen resolution. Towards the bottom of the phone is the micro USB port, and also the earphone jack, and the microphone and the speaker grill as well. On the right are the buttons, the power button and the volume rocker button. On the top there is a secondary microphone as well as this pop-up selfie camera area, and on the left is the SIM card tray where you have a dedicated micro SD card slot with the two SIM card slots. And this is a dedicated button for the assistant that Vivo has. It's a smart button basically. So this is the button. Press to wake up Google Assistant, and press the button twice to use the image recognizer. Press and hold the button to quickly start a conversation with Google Assistant. So these are the things that you can do. Press and hold and it would actually start the Google Assistant. We are not connected to the internet, so it won't anyway give the response. So this is the FunTouch OS, FunTouch OS 9.0 based on the Android 9 Pie. So this is the Android 9 Pie, the latest OS at least here, and let's go to about. So it's Android 9 that's given here, and along with that you have the security patch for January, and the processor is 2.1 GHz AI octa-core. It's Helio P70 basically, and you have 6 GB of RAM, 128 GB storage. We already installed a couple of applications, so the storage information might not be true. These are the pre-installed apps in the phone: iManager, videos, weather, albums, and quite a lot of applications, some of them which you might want to uninstall as well. Facebook, WhatsApp, Ghana are all good. UC browser is there, NewsPoint, PhonePe, Paytm, Google News, WPS Office, and Tips. So these are the ones that we installed. So you can imagine we'll be doing a gaming review of this as well. And under the settings, you find the different options such as user fingerprint and Jovi, GameCube. GameCube is to increase the gaming experience when you're trying to play games on this phone. Do not disturb mode is there, motorbike mode, and We'll be doing a separate tips and tricks video for this to let you know what all the phone comes with to enhance the user experience. Now this the fingerprint option, but we don't see the face unlock option here. So that's because it's a pop-up camera. Interestingly, there are other phones like the Oppo F11 Pro that had the pop-up selfie camera, or what they call as the rising selfie camera, and that had the option of face unlock. It would come up and recognize the face and get in. So this is not happening here. At least let's add the fingerprint, and you can see the fingerprint sensor is on the back of the phone. It's not a in-display fingerprint sensor, it's the basic one. And I have to set this up. So this is how you can register a fingerprint. Let's check out how fast this is. And it requires those multiple taps. And now we'll have to scan the fingerprint edges as well, and let's do that as well. So it's not slow that way, it's quite fast. Now let's try to unlock the phone. It's quite fast, the fingerprint sensor, and obviously with the most of the Oppo and Vivo phones that we have seen till date, the fingerprint sensors have been quite good with what they offer. And we don't see face unlock, which is a bit of a disappointment. For this price, 27,000 rupees, we expected that to be there, but it's not there. Use the motorized camera, that would still help, but face unlock is something that many users might want to use. Next is the camera. This is the camera application of the phone, and you see the options such as photo, AI, beauty, and panorama, pro mode, where you can change the exposure value, ISO, shutter speed, white balance, and the focus. Under the video, does it offer full HD? Does it offer 4K videos? It doesn't show 4K, although there should be support for 4K because this is a Helio P70 which very well supports 4K videos, I guess, and it shows for 1080p videos here. So that might be the only option possible here, and there are AR stickers as well, which you can use with both the front-facing camera as well as the rear-facing camera, and AI beauty mode is there as well for both the cameras again. Now this is the selfie camera. So there's that animation when it pops up, and I obviously would like the selfie camera here. It's a 32MP camera with the f2.0 aperture, and it does well usually, and that's the case here. It's a pop-up selfie camera, so you'll notice the animation sound as well. So you can actually change the sound as well. Or you can turn it off as well. So these are the things with the front facing camera. Now with the rear facing cameras, let's talk about the specs of them. There are three cameras here, AI triple camera that you can see, and one of them is the 12 megapixel f1.8 aperture one. One of them is the 12 megapixel f1.8 aperture camera. The second one is an ultra wide camera that's coming with the 8 megapixel f2.2 aperture, and the third one is a depth sensor. So you have the proper portrait mode here, and you have a wide angle mode as well, which is a good thing with the phone. You have the wide angle mode, so you can change that here. There's the option for wide. Now let me just show you a quick review of that. This is the regular one and this is the wide one. So just showing you here as well. If you have only the case and the phone in the focus here, you'll see that this is how the right view is. Now going to ultra wide view, you have a very wide view. So that is with the 8 megapixel camera, that is the secondary camera that is here. So that is with the camera application. We'll be doing a separate camera review to show you whether the three cameras make sense, whether they do well. So this was the Vivo V15 Pro. I hope the price should be around 25 to 26,000 and not more than that, though the box pricing says 26,990. Let's see what the final price would be. And this is the Glamour Red, while this is the Topaz Blue. You can see the gradients towards the bottom. It's mostly the same towards the top, but while going towards the bottom you see that color gradient here. So that is it about the Vivo V15 that comes with the 32 megapixel pop-up selfie camera, the Helio P70, the 6.53 inch Full HD Plus Ultra View display on the front, and so I hope you like this video, and if you do share and subscribe to Kismet More. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.